Have you ever wondered how those plump, fragrant Japanese eels on your plate are raised? Today, let's embark on a fascinating journey, from tiny eggs to the full-grown Japanese eels, ready to captivate diners' taste buds. Japanese eel, a world-renowned delicacy, is not only a delicious dish, but also the result of a meticulous and modern farming process. The journey begins with the careful selection of healthy, high-quality parent eels. These individuals receive special care to ensure that the eggs are of the highest quality. The egg incubation process is conducted in stable temperature and humidity conditions, simulating a natural environment. Advanced artificial techniques are applied to increase the success rate of hatching. After hatching, the young eels are transferred to specialized rearing tanks. The water environment in these tanks is carefully regulated for temperature, pH levels, and dissolved oxygen content. The young eels are provided with nutrient-rich, easily digestible food to ensure they grow strong and healthy. As the young eels grow, they are moved to commercial farming tanks. Here they are fed high-quality industrial pellets, specifically researched and produced for Japanese eels. To ensure their continued health, farmers regularly monitor water quality, clean the tanks, and implement measures to prevent disease. After a period of careful nurturing, the eels reach market weight and are ready for harvest. The harvesting process is swift to ensure the quality of the eels remains intact. Once harvested, the eels are cleaned, prepped, and processed into various dishes, ranging from traditional recipes to modern creations, meeting the diverse preferences of consumers.